Does this look familiar? If you're tired of starting each week feeling behind, stick around. Today, I'll share a simple Sunday cleaning routine that will set you up for a productive, stress-free week. Imagine waking up Monday morning to this: a clean, organized space that energizes and motivates you. Let's make this your reality. First things first, grab your favorite beverage. Cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. Let's make it enjoyable. Step 1. Declutter. Common areas. Starting your cleaning routine with a quick 15-minute decluttering session in common areas like the living room, kitchen, and bathroom can significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of your overall cleaning process. Living room. Begin by returning misplaced items to their rightful spots, folding blankets, and straightening pillows. This simple act instantly refreshes the space and sets a tidy foundation for deeper cleaning. Kitchen. Load the dishwasher with any dirty dishes, wipe down countertops to remove crumbs and spills, and take out the trash to prevent odors. These steps not only maintain cleanliness, but also promote a hygienic cooking environment. Bathroom. Clear the countertop of unnecessary items, wipe the sink to remove toothpaste and water spots, and replace used towels with fresh ones. Regularly wiping down bathroom surfaces can prevent grime buildup and keep the space fresh. By dedicating just 15 minutes to decluttering these common areas, you can prevent messes from accumulating, reduce the feeling of being overwhelmed, and make your cleaning routine more manageable and effective. Step 2. Laundry. Next, tackle the laundry. Starting a load on Sunday ensures you have fresh clothes for the week ahead. Sort your laundry. Begin by categorizing your garments to maintain their quality and prevent mishaps: whites, lights, darks, brights, and delicates. Proper sorting prevents color bleeding and fabric damage, ensuring your clothes remain in top condition. 2. Start with the most time-consuming load. Initiate your laundry with items that require the longest drying time, such as heavy towels or denim. 3. Shake out each item before drying. Before transferring clothes to the dryer, give each piece a good shake. This simple step helps prevent wrinkles, promotes even drying, and can reduce drying time by allowing better air circulation. 4. Fold or hang clothes immediately. Once a load is dry, promptly fold or hang each item. Addressing clothes while they're still warm minimizes wrinkles and eliminates the need for ironing. Step 3. Plan your meals. Incorporating meal planning into your Sunday routine can significantly streamline your week, saving time, reducing stress, and promoting healthier eating habits. Here's a comprehensive guide to effective meal planning. 1. Inventory your kitchen. Begin by assessing the contents of your pantry, refrigerator, and freezer. This helps in identifying items that need to be used before they expire and prevents redundant purchases. Utilizing what you already have can inspire meal ideas and reduce waste. 2. Plan your meals. With a clear understanding of your available ingredients, outline your meals for the upcoming week. Consider your schedule, factoring in busy days that might require quicker recipes or leftovers. 3. Create a detailed shopping list. Based on your meal plan, compile a comprehensive grocery list. Organize it by categories such as produce, dairy, and pantry staples to make your shopping trip more efficient. 4. Shop strategically. When you head to the store, adhere to your list to prevent overspending. Consider shopping during off-peak hours to avoid crowds and make the experience more pleasant. 5. Prep ingredients in advance. This advanced preparation can significantly cut down cooking time during the week and make meal assembly more straightforward. 6. Store meals. Properly invest in quality storage containers to keep prepped ingredients and meals fresh. Labeling them with dates ensures you use items in a timely manner, maintaining food safety and quality. Feeling inspired? If you're finding these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more content. designed to make your life easier. Also, check out the link in the description to download your free 10-minute declutter plan. Step 4. Set weekly goals. Take a few minutes to set intentions for the week. This could include work tasks, personal projects, or self-care activities. Setting weekly goals is a powerful strategy to enhance productivity and maintain focus. Here's how to effectively establish and manage your weekly objectives. 1. Prioritize tasks. Begin by listing all tasks you aim to accomplish during the week. Then, identify the top 3 tasks that are most critical. Focusing on a limited number of priorities prevents overwhelm and ensures that essential tasks receive the attention they deserve. This approach enhances focus and persistence, leading to improved performance. 2. Schedule time slots. Allocate specific time slots for each of your prioritized tasks in your planner or digital calendar. This practice, known as time blocking, involves dedicating set periods to individual tasks, reducing the likelihood of multitasking and distractions. Time blocking promotes better time management and ensures that important tasks are addressed promptly. 3. Maintain flexibility. While it's essential to have a structured plan, remain adaptable to accommodate unforeseen events or tasks that may arise. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your schedule allows you to stay on track and make necessary modifications to meet your goals effectively. By implementing these steps, you create a clear roadmap for your week, leading to increased productivity, reduced stress, and a greater sense of accomplishment. Setting clear goals helps you stay focused and ensures you make time for what matters most. Step 5. Self-care. Dedicating time to self-care on Sundays is vital for rejuvenating your mind and body, setting a positive tone for the upcoming week. Here's how you can incorporate self-care into your routine. Relax and unwind. Engage in calming activities. Choose activities that help you relax and de-stress, such as taking a warm bath, reading a favorite book, or practicing meditation. These practices can reduce anxiety and improve overall well-being. Prepare for the week ahead. Organize your essentials. Lay out your outfit for Monday and pack your work bag. This preparation can alleviate morning stress and ensure a smooth start to your week. By integrating these self-care practices into your Sunday routine, you not only enhance your well-being, but also set a positive and organized tone for the week ahead. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's necessary. Taking time to recharge ensures you're at your best for the week ahead. By incorporating this Sunday cleaning routine into your life, you'll create a foundation for a smoother, more organized week. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Also, don't forget to download your free 10-minute declutter plan from the link in the description below. Share your own Sunday routines or cleaning tips in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for spending time with me today. Here's to a productive and peaceful week ahead.